Let's troubleshoot slow Wi-Fi speeds step by step. First, know your device and internet speeds. Older devices may be slower. Also, understand that your actual speed may not reach the maximum advertised speed. A quick note for those that want the highest possible speed from your connection. If you're really into gaming or frequently running applications that transfer large files, connecting directly to the Ethernet might be your best option. Now, let's conduct a speed test on the device you're concerned about. We recommend using the Fidium Attune app. You can find that app in the App Store on your mobile device. Or if you're testing your speed on a desktop or laptop, you can visit speedtest.net. After you test your speed on your first device, perform the same speed test on another device from the same location to compare. If the second device performs better, try restarting the first one. If both devices show slower speeds, try moving closer to your gateway and perform another speed test. You may need to relocate your gateway. Or contact us about installing an extender. If you're still experiencing issues, the next step is to reboot your ONT and your gateway. For detailed instructions on how to do that, please refer to our video on rebooting your ONT and gateway. You can find that video by going to fidiumfiber.com/support. If the problem persists, please give us a call. We can remotely assess the situation and get you back up to speed. We're here to help ensure your experience with Fidium is as easy as possible.